In this video, we'll learn how to replace TM light bulbs. This shot shows an eyebrow that's being replaced. We can gently wiggle out the rubber boot from the light bulb. Now the light bulb could be wiggled out from the rubber boot. After the new light bulb is replaced, we could then plug it back into its original location. This shot shows us replacing a halo light bulb. We are pointing to the bulb to show that there is a negative and positive side. So you should test the lights before placing your headlights back into its original location. Once the negative and positive are back, you can then replace the light bulb back into the halo slot. Now to the headlight bulbs. We can first pop out the plastic weather cover. There is a metal clip that locks the light bulb in place. Please press down firmly on this metal clip to release the lock. Once the bulb is out, replace it with the new bulb. Press back the locking pin securely. Once the light bulb wire connector is plugged, we could then put back the weather shield. Now that the plastic cover is securely put back, your installation is complete. This last demonstration shows us how to replace LED bulbs. Once the rubber boot and bulb is wiggled out, we could then pull out the light bulb and replace it with a new one. Because the bulb has a negative and positive side, please make sure that you test the light before placing your headlights back into its original location. We have now learned how to replace all the light bulbs in the headlights for the TM. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.